Enter Scampi. Here she is. Scampi. Alright. Scampi. Alright. Oh, look there. I'm stretching away. Oh, whoa. Hello. Alright. Oh, don't let yourself. Oh, don't. Scampi. Scampi. Look, up here. I'm up here. You. Up here. Scampi. Alright. Look at that. That is Scampitron. The facts of... No. It's not your video, Rosie. It's not your video, Rosie. Go away. Get out of here, Rosie. Facts of Scampi. She's a Persian. She loves to lick herself. What else? Scampi. Look. Oh, sorry. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Scampi. Come here. Scampi. Come here. Stop licking yourself. Come on. You'll get a disease if you keep licking yourself. Oh, she's licking herself. Alright. Oh, stretch. Oh, yeah. Scampi. Come on, where are you going to go? There's Rosie. It's not her video. Scampi. Scampi. Look at that. Scampi, alright? Alright. Scampi. Oh, for God's sake. Stop licking yourself. Anyway, that is Scampi. Scampi. No, the final look at her now. If she will let us. Scampi. There she is, there you are. That is Scampitron. I'll call it Scampitron, that's her nickname. Okay, bye guys, see you later.